In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags on Convertkit. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, understanding how to effectively organize your subscribers with tags is a crucial part of managing your email marketing strategy. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. This is the platform we'll be focusing on today because it's a powerful tool designed specifically to help you manage your email lists with ease. If you don't already have a Convertkit account, this might be a good time to register for one. For those who do have an account, go ahead and log in, and let's get started. Once you're logged into your Convertkit account, you'll want to locate the Grow tab in the navigation menu. This tab is your gateway to managing everything related to your subscribers. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and click on the Subscribers option. This action will direct you to a page where you can see a list of all your subscribers. Now, let's take a closer look at this page. Over on the right-hand side, you'll notice a section labeled Tags. This is where the magic happens. Tags allow you to segment and organize your subscriber list into more manageable and meaningful groups. This will help you send more targeted and relevant communications to your audience. Direct your attention now to the Create a Tag button right within that Tags section. Clicking this button initiates the process of creating a brand new tag. It's quite straightforward. When you hit that button, a prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for your tag. Here's a pro tip. When naming your tag, choose something descriptive. This could be anything from webinar attendees to ebook downloaders. A well-chosen tag name helps you remember the criteria for that segment of your subscribers and keeps your list neatly organized. Once you have your tag name ready, type it into the provided field. Take a moment to ensure that the name is both descriptive and concise, as this will make it easier for you to locate and manage later on. After entering the name, go ahead and click the Save button. This final step confirms the creation of your new tag and adds it to your list in the Tags section. Congratulations, you have just created a new tag. And there you have it, a simple yet extremely effective way to manage and organize your subscribers using tags in Convertkit. Being able to segment your audience allows you to tailor your messaging precisely to different groups, improving engagement and conversion rates. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check back for more practical tips on maximizing your email marketing efforts with Convertkit.